I'm Falguni Sheth. I'm a yoga practitioner and a teacher. I run Resonance the Yoga Studio. It was my mom who inspired me to join yoga. She enrolled me to a yoga class in my 9th standard vacation in 1988. I'm thankful to my mom as she introduced me to a yoga in my very young age in my school days. And I'm so very grateful to my dad as he introduced me to Vipassana meditation in my college days. There was always a spiritual environment at home, and that's how I got into yoga. I started taking yoga classes to support my family as back then our financial condition was not so sound. Taking yoga classes not only gave me strength to face hard times, but it also helped me grow physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and definitely financially. Before opening a studio, I had to do a lot of planning. I was looking for a nearby location, a bigger space, a good ventilation facility, proper parking facility, minimalistic look, and definitely positive vibes. It is when I started a studio, I understood what business is all about and what difficulties an entrepreneur has to face. Though I was always a multitasking person, but initially it was difficult for me to manage everything at a time. Taking a class, managing the administration work of the studio, finances, even my studies, my exams, my home and the social life. I conduct government certified yoga teachers training course at Resonance, wherein my students have an advantage of working with many patients. They are continuously getting the guidance from me. They are assisting me in my class. I conduct various batches on yoga, like traditional yoga, yoga for senior citizen, yoga for working professional, yoga for kids, yoga for pregnant ladies. I teach yoga to differently able people at Vaushala School in Mulund. I call upon various experts to conduct workshops on different topics related to health. Future goals are to touch more lives and spreading the awareness of yoga for the larger good. In metros, we still find the yoga teachers and yoga centers easily, but not such is the case in the remote place. So I would like to extend my service for them. Yoga is my passion. Yoga is never a business for me. Still, all the needs are taken care of.
She doesn't train you as a trainer just as a marketing or as a business, but she gets into you to help her student out, and that's what keeps inspiring me, because how can you handle your business and be so dedicated to your profession?
In India, the woman is called as Stri, which is derived from Sanskrit word stru, which means to expand, to spread. Until you spread your wings, you never know how far you can fly. So I would like to see all the women of the nation to spread their colorful wings, be it in any field, and fly in this limitless sky. I'm thankful to my parents, my family, to all my teachers, my guru, my mentors, my spiritual guide for imparting so much of knowledge and directing my life for my higher good. Most importantly, I'm thankful to all my students who kept faith in me, because whoever I am today is just because of them.